Yep, guys, Big Zulu flexing with his new specially designed Cavella. This one, guys, is not yet released, but Big Zulu, as we all know, that he is the brand ambassador of Cavella. He got it, guys. Here's Big Zulu flexing with his new Cavella, guys.
Utomkani. Ay. Isilimazo sani lesi? Cavella.
Ikavela boni.
Yeah. Ijacket lena.
Imbazo. Mshawumfana kumni tracksuit yenayo. Ayon tracksuit yenayo.
Hayi kodwa ngathi uxhaphaza kakhulu le insuku. Imbazo. Hayi.
Zokushawula ukhona tracksuit yenayo ithi mina.
Ukutha ngo-dashboard spray.
Where is where is that?
No.
Hawu, kanti ugadla khona la eceleni.
Awu angibona
Sorry Khotman.
Izishiyele Khotman. Bengithi. Awukwatheka Khotman.
Yep, guys, that was Big Zulu Afak Slimazo, guys. Now, guys, I don't know what to take about this one. You can leave your comments down below. I love to hear from you, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon in order to be the first person to know whenever I upload a new video. Once again, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.